This individual is constantly thinking about you and they can't believe they did this to you. They really can't. I feel as if whatever this person did to you, it really broke your heart. And it has taken you a long time for some of you to get over this betrayal. And this person is ashamed of what they did. And they didn't think in the moment, for some of you, that what they were actually doing would affect you in this way. So it highlights their selfishness, is what I'm picking up. And it highlights that, yeah, they were selfish, they were putting themselves first, they didn't think that their actions would have an impact on you, you know. And they were so blasé in the moment about whatever it is that they did. But now it's almost as if spirit has put them in time out and has made them feel how you felt or how you are feeling. This person is trying to fight the urge to feel, because it's very humiliating, it's very embarrassing, it's uncomfortable to know that they hurt the one that they really have a lot of feelings for. They may have accepted something of someone, they may have entertained someone, and they're looking back on it now and they're thinking, what was I doing? Like, literally, what was I doing? And it's almost as if at the time they were just too concerned about how they looked to the public. You know, they weren't thinking about the type of company they were keeping, if it was the right company, how it would affect you. You know, they were just thinking about themselves in that moment, and it actually backfired. Whatever they did, it actually backfired. And they know that they're going through a tower moment. Will they say in those words? I doubt it. But they know that things have crumbled. Things are not the same now. And they're trying to save face, but they are regretful for accepting something, being around someone, doing something that they know that they wouldn't like if it was done to them. That's the energy that spirit is forcing them to understand. Would you like this to happen to you? Because maybe when you're trying to explain it to this person, you may have felt like they thought you were being emotional. But now it's like they are asking themselves, I wouldn't actually like if someone done that to me. And they feel like they're trying to come out of this mental entrapment, and they feel themselves like slipping into a not, I wouldn't say a depression, but they feel extremely sad about what they did, and they're now angry about who they did it with, or you know, they're angry with themselves and they're wishing that they can go back into time, but you can't change anything. And they feel stuck at a time of, I wish I did this, like a shoulda, woulda, coulda type of energy. Why did I do this? If I didn't do this, and they wouldn't be feeling like this, and I wouldn't be feeling like this. Because I don't feel good. I feel like spirit has intervened. Their guides have definitely intervened and has shown them, you know, what you did was wrong. And it has had an effect on the person that you care about, the person that you love. And we're going to make you feel how they felt, because you seem not to understand. And this person's trying to throw themselves into work to forget about the situation. But they are fearing, or for some of you, this connection has come to an end. There's been a cycle that's been closed. And they don't want you to look at them in a harmful way. They want you to still see them as trusting. And I feel like for some of you, the trust is gone, because there was another energy hovering around this situation, you know, and they didn't shut it down. Maybe you felt like they were in their ego. Now, for some of you, you have leveled up, you have bossed up, and you have put up boundaries. It's like you're showing this person what it looks like to put up boundaries. And this person feels like they're getting calmer because of what they did to you as well, because they feel like you are detaching. They feel like you are doing your own thing. You're not considering them. And that may not be the case, but that's how they perceive it to be. But it's like spirit wants to flip the energy and show them, well, this is how you showed up. You were acting like you didn't care. You were acting like you gave zero F's. So even though you may still care about this person, you may still be in contact with this person, it's not as, you know, it's very lighthearted now. There's not, you know, this person feels like there's a lack of depth now. They feel like there's a lack of depth. Like before, they felt like you were close to them and you were both close to each other, you were both falling in love, you were in love, you may have told this person that you loved them, they may have told you that you loved them, that they loved you, and you may have felt like, why did you do this? Like, whatever they did, it came out of the blue, and you don't feel like you can trust this person. So some of you have put this person in the friend zone now, and I feel like this person may want to try and, you know, come around and test the waters with you in a romantic way. So they may come around you being quite flirtatious or making you know that they still have feelings, but you may, you know, whether you are with it or not, you're giving off the energy of, I don't want anything to do with you. Some of you have literally detached, some of you have just literally friend zoned this person, and this person is thinking to themselves, like, how can I expand with this person? Like, what can I do to make them know that that person, you know, whatever I chose was not important? And this person's running out of time, so they may find themselves trying to be more approachable. You know, they're going to try and be more warm to you. They may try and take you out. They may try and offer you, you know, a date or something like that. Or do you want to go and grab some drinks? Or do you want to go and hang out? Or do you want to go bowling? Or do you want to go to the disco or something of that sort? Or roller skating? I feel like they're going to make some type of gesture because they see you as the prize. You know, it keeps coming up in my reading when I get the Nine of Cups. I just keep thinking of the prize. There is an energy of them being quite erratic and very forthcoming, very direct, I should say, in regards to moving towards you. I don't know. It's like they're getting very anxious. They want to put whatever wrong they did right. Getting very anxious. So for some of you, expect a phone call from this person, maybe when the moon is in Aquarius. You know, you may get like a text. Or this person could be in Aquarius, or they could have Aquarius in their chart. But I feel like this person is going to be very abrupt, very forthcoming. It may come as a shock, their way of moving towards you, and there could be a lot of panic behind their actions because they feel like you are disinterested at the moment. Some of you could be, some of you are not even bothered, and that's the problem here. It's like, nah, I can't lose this. I can't lose this. Maybe in the past you saw them as a star, now you just see them as it's whatever, in it. You know, you're for the streets now, innit? Like, anything goes with you. You know, anyone will do. You know what I mean? You have no boundaries. So, what am I killing up myself for you for? I'm looking like a clown by being aligned with one type of thing. You know what I mean? So, this person doesn't want you to see them, or they feel like you're thinking that about them. And that's what hurts even more. It's like they want to put some type of wrong right. And they're going to be very assertive with moving towards you. For some of you, it could be like they had their family getting involved in this connection, and they were moving funny with you. You know, they weren't playing their position, and that told you that they are valuing the opinion of their family. So there could be something about this person abruptly, you know, leaving the family for some of you, or telling I don't think they're going to tell the family anything. I just feel like for some of you, you may have told them, listen, you tell your family about me, and they were toing and froing and skating around the situation, and you may have felt like, are you embarrassed of me? Because maybe you come from a different cultural background than this individual. Maybe they are very traditional, and you thought, you know what? I'm going to date someone that is proud of me. And they're like, no, I'm not saying I'm not proud of you, but your actions are proving otherwise, darling. I ain't got the time. Bye. And you may have hung up, right? But for some of you, I feel like they may have, you know, being very conditioned by the family, and you may have thought like, how are we going to grow? Like, I can't live like this. I'm grown. Like, this is ridiculous. This sneaking around, and you know what I mean? Your family's controlling you. So I feel like they're going to break free from family for some of you. Yeah, they may actually leave the family, and I don't know why I'm hearing struggle, like maybe move into some type of hotel or moving with a friend or something, or go independent. They're going to be going independent from family. Even if they're close to their family, even if they live with their family, they will not be telling their family about their private life. Their family life is with their family. Their private life is their private life. And they're going to be making it known to you that, listen, I choose you. I'm not letting anyone or anything get in the way of the situation again. Yeah, you're going to see a different side to this person for real. You or this person could be of the signs Pisces, Leo, Gemini, Aries, Virgo, Taurus, Aquarius, Leo, Scorpio, Pisces, or Cancer, Leo, Sagittarius, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Sagittarius, Aquarius again. We have Aquarius again. We've got Aries again, and we've got Aries again. Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. I feel like a lot of aspects in this person's chart is being activated. Activated in regards to be more mature, step into their power, go after who and what they want. It's up to you to take this person back. Some of you are with this person, but things are not the same. They feel it. They want to correct it. I wish you all the best, and I wish the best outcome for your situation, for your higher good and their higher good as well.